Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add payment in SplitWise. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your SplitWise app. And now once you're inside your SplitWise app, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, in order to add a payment, the first thing that you need to do is tap on the add expenses right here. And once you tap on expenses, here you'll be seeing this kind of home screen or screen. Now here what you need to do is select one of your friends by simply tapping on all of my friends and then choosing the person that you want to split your payment with. Then the next thing is to enter in the description and then enter in your amount as well. Now the next thing is, once you have selected your person, the next thing that you can do is you can either schedule the payment as well, and if you are doing an individual payment, then tap on this my friend options and then tap in not in a group. Now once you are done with that, now here what you need to do is just simply check all the details, and once you are done, tap on the tick icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now once you are done, your payment will be added in the group of non-group expenses. Now in order to settle it up, all you gotta do is tap on it, and then you'll have an option on the red button saying settle up, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.